I know a dude. He waited for years for one sentence. I'm sorry for what I did to you. But guess what? It never came. The betrayal cut deep and silence made it worse. He thought if he just kept waiting, if he just kept the door open one day, they'd realize the damage and make it right. But see, in the Breakthrough Bunker, we've learned this hard truth. Some people will never say sorry. Not because you didn't deserve one, but because they don't have the capacity to own what they broke. Homie had a choice. Stay stuck in the pain or choose peace without permission. So he took it to God. Not for revenge, but for release. And little by little, the pain lost its grip. Not because it didn't matter, but because he mattered more. Here's your reminder. Forgiveness is not about excusing them. It's about freeing you. So let me ask you, what are you still waiting for closure from someone who never gave you clarity? You didn't need the apology to heal. See, God saw it, God knows, and God will restore. Your healing is not held hostage by their words. It's already in motion. Let that be enough.